My name is GBOWEE. I am a Liberian peace activist. I won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2011. I am currently affiliated with the Women Peace and Security Program to advance the visibility and capacity of women peace builders, to document and share their narratives and her stories.
Across the lines of a grassroots organization, a prestigious university, and a Nobel Peace Prize winner, we are able to see ourselves in one another and actually find strategic opportunities to move forward together and build a stronger social movement.
I'm most interested in working at local levels within inner city, in urban areas, and in rural communities, because peace and security for women is not necessarily in war, but it's also those things that hamper the peace and security needs of women.
And Poder is connected in many ways to the issue of peace and security. One of the major projects we work on is land development and our right to live within the city, within the urban core, our right to have shelter.
So the South Asian Network, in addition to providing direct services to our community, really believes in changing the systems of inequity that exist in our country. And part of that is supporting and empowering South Asian women in our communities by giving them information, assistance that they need, so they can take that back to their families and their communities and live lives with dignity and a sense of security.
The meaning of peace and security for me is knowing that the almost 20-year fight that I have for educational justice in New York, actually nationally, will ensure that children don't have to worry about a cradle-to-prison pipeline.
Peace and security aligns with the vision for Mothers for Justice and Equality. Our vision is a world where it's not normal or acceptable for children to be murdered and incarcerated.
I define peace as the presence of justice.
Sustainable environment so that all human beings have everything they need, not just to survive, but to thrive.
Peace and security within an indigenous context, within my own view, is uplifting those voices that have been systematically oppressed.
Project South is the Institute for the Elimination of Poverty and Genocide. We see our work in the context of global security and peace. In this current political moment, in the 21st century, with the global rise in violence, deep poverty, and racism across the board, we know that one of the few ways that we can really contend with those crises is to build strong social movements and build across geographies and really beyond borders.
Coming into a space where women from all walks of life come here for causes that matters to them personally, for their families, such as domestic violence, child sexual abuse, immigration, women against violence, mothers against drunk driving, real issues that we deal with on a daily basis. Having 30 women come in a space free, at peace and secure, to be able to share and work on concrete steps to bring about changes around the world, locally, globally, wherever you are, knowing that there are women that can come together to pass by the status quo, to break the ceiling, flip the table if we must.
This gathering has been so impactful because of the intersectionalities that we've been able to bring up and the ways that all of our work connects and links.
Creating change, sustaining change is fundamentally about strong relationships based on love, respect. Together, we can envision a world that's truly secure and just.
These 2 days have been incredible. They have been more than I could have ever imagined. There was so much beauty, so much passion, so much fire. I left feeling a real sense of community. I'm excited to, as we say in my community, seguir para adelante y echarle ganas.
My name is MONALISA Smith.
Haley Kotler, Cheyenne Enoso,
Phyllis Utley,
Fatima Ramadi,
Jessica Peñaranda.
My name is Mamira
Trust
Med,
Women,
The Sex Workers Project.
Sacred Places Institute,
Women for Afghan Women,
Bringing Faith,
Millennials for Revolution,
the Black Alliance for Just Immigration,